Hey everyone, today we will discuss founding fish of our fish keeping hobby. In the year 1869, something astonishing had happened in the history of fish keeping. Pierre Carbonnier, who was the founder of oldest public aquaria in Paris, received 17 specimens of Macropodus opercularis or paradise fish. The fishes were brought to Europe by a naval officer named Gerald. He carried 100 specimens, and out of which only 22 fishes arrived alive at Europe. Pierre was the first person in Europe to breed paradise fishes in captivity, and thus he started something which, after 150 years, had spread all over the world and gave birth to a new hobby called fish keeping. The idea of having fishes as pet was not new though. It's assumed that in the year 1120, Jin dynasty of China started keeping colorful cyprinid fishes as pets, which later named as goldfish due to their golden yellow like color. Now coming back to Pierre, he is considered the founding father of our fish keeping hobby. It's due to his breeding efforts of betta and paradise fish. Today we have different species of paradise fishes available in hobby. They are playful in nature, palate trained, colorful, easy to maintain fish. In spite of the semi-aggressive nature, I cherish keeping them. I personally believe paradise fish does best if a pair of them kept in a 15-gallon tank. You need to keep a male and female, as the males tend to fight till one decides to jump out of the tank or die. Keeping a male and female will prevent that kind of situation. Also, keeping a pair will entice male to breed. His color will enhance and you will enjoy his breeding dress as well as breeding behavior. Female on the opposite side will remain dull. Male and female can easily be distinguished, as male tends to have larger caudal, anal and dorsal fins. Male will become more colorful as well. These paradise fish have live ring organ, due to which they can directly take oxygen from air. I consider them as perfect alternative for betta. A pair of these fishes can easily be kept in a 15-gallon tank with live plants. Unlike betta, you may not need to put a heater in tank, as paradise fish will do well in temperature as low as 16 degrees Celsius or 60 degrees Fahrenheit. As they can breathe air, these are perfect candidate for beginners as well. Even a better choice for planted tank. They will accept pellet food readily but will thrive on live food like whiteworm or tubifex. Nowadays, I see very less number of hobbyists keeping these beautiful fish. Hence, I thought of creating this video to encourage you to try your luck with this awesome fish. I can guarantee that you will not regret your decision of keeping paradise fishes. These fishes tend to live for 8 years in captivity, so be prepared for a long-term care. I hope you like this small video on paradise fish. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in next video. Till then, take care, bye bye and enjoy your fishes.